Hi, I'm Neil from Forgeways and I run green woodwork and bushcraft here in my woods in Wales, and today we're going to make some simple hedgerow hooks. I've started by getting some branches that I've pruned either from the hedgerow, or maybe I've done a bit of coppicing here in the woods. But yeah, maybe you're pruning some fruit trees in your garden and you end up with branch pieces a little bit like these. We're going to turn these into a simple hook. I don't ever want to see anyone buying hooks again. So essentially we're going to create a flat back, fettle it a little bit with a knife, and then we'll drill a couple of holes in. It's as simple as that. After today you can decorate them in a myriad of ways. Essentially I'm just going to carve off the back. So I've got a little flat bit. I'm going to carve no higher than halfway up. I've got my hand quite close to the axe head and I'm just gently carving down the back to start that flat off, and then I'm going to turn over and come down and do the other bit. You notice I'm carving quite vertically with the axe and I'm always trying to hit the same point behind the chip and keep a long chip running. There you go, and you can see I'm just starting to create a flat on the back there. That's what I'm looking for, and I'll just keep checking. Okay, it's a bit more on the bottom that needs to come off for it to lay flat. Always just stop and look whenever you're carving anything. You could take a bit more, but that's about perfect really. So on to a bit of knife work. That hook's about as long as I need, and I'm going to leave the bark on this one today. I'm going to create a little chamfer at the top, maybe a little one at the bottom, and then sort of round over the hook part if you like. So I'm going to use a thumb push cut. I'm just using my wood holding thumb to push the back of the blade. And I'm just cutting a 45-degree angle off the top of that piece of wood. The same on the bottom. And then I'm going to do the same on top. This is a bit of hazel. It's a couple of months old now and the bark's quite well attached, so I'm going to leave the bark on. If it became a bit flaky, you could rub it lightly with some sandpaper, just to take any roughness off. And there's my hook. So what really is all left to do to make it perfectly functional is to just drill some holes in, to accept screws or nails. I just need to get a tool to undo the drill because I can't undo it to put the drill bit in. 1 minute. Okay, so just need to drill some holes in so we can screw it or nail it to a wall. So I got a 4mm drill bit. Put it on the wood, start slowly, and nice and fast through, start slowly, and then fast through. And just to make it a little bit prettier, you might have a countersink bit at home. And just tidy up the edges of the holes so the screws fit a bit nicer. And there, one hedgerow hook to take your best gardening jacket, bushcraft coat. Yeah, one hedgerow hook. You'll go now. Yeah.
Brilliant, easy job that most people can do, and yeah, never need to buy a hook again. Okay, right, well, thanks Neil behind the camera, and thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.